Hi, my name is Cilia. I'm the owner of Cilia's PCM. We provide several services. One of them, the main one, is painting, landscaping, and cleaning. We also do remodeling from bedrooms to commercials, buildings, banks, hotels. We pretty much cover it all. In my experience, working with local, especially a small business, it helps everybody to keep the community rolling and doing business to each other. Plus, it gets a little bit easier because you get to know people that can help you in different projects, and you build relationships and friendship as well. And this is one of the cases with Healey Brothers and us. The last 7-8 years, we've been doing business with them. The first time they approached us, it was to paint one of the dealers, and since then we built a relation, which now we pretty much do all their painting, all the renovations, and cleaning as well. Well, we have pretty much bought all our vehicles from Healey Brothers, from the smaller one to do estimates, which is an EcoSport, through a F450, which is one of it's a big truck for landscaping, and in the middle we got F250s. We also have purchased personal vehicles for my wife, family members. So we got them all. I personally drive a Raptor, which is a pretty cool truck. We are very happy with Healey Brothers. Healey Brothers is a very important part of our business. We depend on trucks, and Healey Brothers has given us that service that you can rely on, and when we need something, Healey Brothers is always there for us. They can look it up on our website, ciliaspainting.com. We also have an Instagram and a Facebook, and our phone number is 845-467-1199. That's our office numbers, and we are open from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.